Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Everything Good Eat. Today I'm going to be showing us how to make this simple egusi soup. So we'll start by soaking our stockfish in hot water, cover that and set aside, then move on to the egusi. Also add hot water, but this time get a spoon and stir it together till there is no lumps, as I'm doing in the video. Stir it till there is no lumps, then cover it and set it aside. In a heated pot, add your palm oil, let that cook. You can see how I'm doing it in the video, the different stages. Let it cook, then add your egusi bit by bit, so avoid it splashing all over the kitchen. Then at this point you're going to stir it together. After stirring it, you're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and you have to keep stirring it to avoid it burning. Then you cover it again and let it cook for another 1 minute. Open and keep stirring. You can see how the bottom of my pot is looking, so you have to keep stirring it to avoid it burning. Then you're going to add your stockfish at this point, your pepper paste, whatever quantity you desire. Then I'm just rinsing my plate. Then you're adding the beef, cooked beef. I'm using beef. You can use any protein of your choice, is up to you. Then I'm going to stir this together. Now I'm going to add my seasoning cubes. At my time period, this thing, it was really hard. I'm going to add my seasoning cubes on my stock cubes. I'm going to stir that together. Then next thing we're going to add is the crayfish. You're going to add it and stir it together. Please just remember to turn down the heat a little so it doesn't burn. Then you're going to add salt to your egusi. I'm adding water because the egusi is a bit dry because of all the stirring, so you can add whatever quantity you desire, you like, and cover it again. Now our egusi is almost ready. I'm going to add tomato paste. Yes, this is the secret ingredient in this recipe. I'm going to mix that together, and the next thing is my smoked fish. My smoked fish. Adding it. I'm going to stir it together again. There's a lot of stirring in this video. I'm going to stir it together. Stir together. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. After that, here comes the ugu leaves. This soup is delicious. It's, oh my god. That's my baby. I don't know what he's doing there, but I'm going to stir the ugu. The soup is almost ready. You can cover your ugu and let it cook for a few minutes, or you can just serve it right away. Depends on how you like your veggies. So try this soup, guys. Please try it and let me know.